Hello.
Hello, you're loud, but okay. Hello.
Okay, do we start? Do we just like start?
Yeah.
Seeda straight away?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Three, two, one.
Three, two, one. Hello.
Hey, let me start recording.
I am already recording, I'm
Okay.
guessing.
There's a lot of disturbance.
Is it? I told you these headphones, the mic is really weird. It's really off. The
It's near the edge of the door.
what, me?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm right next to a window, right? So like,
Then why are you next to the window?
oh, why not?
Okay, you have a choice.
Um, okay, let's just start. Let's just start. Okay. Hello. That was an awkward intro, but hi, welcome to our podcast that my brother and I are planning on beginning or starting or whatever. As you can see, I live on a main road, and there'll probably be a lot of disturbances in the background, but don't mind us. What is this podcast gonna be about? Is there a theme? Are we gonna talk about advertising, about literature, about books, about art? What are we talking about?
Whatever comes to our mind is what we're gonna talk about.
Exactly. Nothing. We're going to talk about nothing and yet everything. This podcast is absolutely spontaneous and absolutely random. It could be
That
based on
totally makes
subjects.
sense.
Yeah. Of course it will make sense. No? I mean, it's I don't know. Nothing. This world doesn't make sense.
I like.
Boom. Like, look at us, 5 minutes into recording, and we're already looking at 2 minutes, not even 5 minutes, 2 minutes into recording, and we're already exploring the facets of the world. So, it's my brother and I who will be talking about anything and everything. It could be stem from anime to books to pop culture, subcultures, anything as a whole. Whatever comes to our mind, we just talk, let our minds flow. Me from my 20-year-old young adult perspective, and him from his prepubescent little, how kids work.
Ouch.
You know how kids work.
I have a mental age more than you, so you can stop.
I can't get over that, just that line. It's just like, you know how kids work, as though like children are just like some sort of machine. Radhe. Ting, ting, ting.
Dun, 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 dun.
Ting. But then what else? What exactly do we talk about? If we're talking so much about spontaneousness and randomness, we can't really spend an entire hour or half an hour or whatever just wondering, just asking the same question over and over again. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? There needs to be
It's
a
gonna be a chain
theme, right?
reaction
A chain reaction.
from one topic to another, jumping from one black hole to another,
Why black hole?
because that's got all the information. It's already taken in so much. Let's explore that.
Oh, I never thought of it that way, Like a black hole takes in so much that it has more like I never looked at it from a data perspective. Like, it's taking in information. It's not taking in the universe, it's not taking in the world around it. It's taking information. And they're like, whoa, bro. What are you, a designer, a coder or something?
You have just changed the entire universe by just saying one line.
Poof. I mean, but it
But
so happens, right? Like one line can change the world. I mean, look at that guy. Who's that guy, man? I have a dream, Valaya. The
Martin Luther King Jr.
Yeah, it started with one line, right? It all starts with a line, and that shifts perspectives and kind of molds the entire way people look at things. Even if it's just like a famous quote from someone, is still just one line said by that person. But that kind of puts things in perspective, brings things out of perspective, and changes so much. if I also say something, something mind blowing, mind breaking right now,
Word breaking.
boom, suddenly the entire universe shifts its paradigms. Look at me using big words like I know what they mean. Uh, Paradigm.
The one person who knows these words' meaning. Wait, that's not supposed to be there.
Just like I mean, just like some educated moron were listening to this thing, and us using words like promiscuous and voluptuous and vociferous, the biggest words we can find in a dictionary to make ourselves sound educated, and those guys just like, bro, what?
The comment section will be full of these words.
Comment section मेरे भाईचारा. Comment section. Can you comment? I mean, it depends on where we put it for it there to actually be a
I mean,
comment
what
section
the
as such.
platforms have comment section like Twitch or YouTube or D Live or Caffeine.
I mean, but what platform are we gonna put this on?
I thought YouTube.
But YouTube podcast on YouTube. I mean, don't we need a video for that?
I thought that would be on you.
Ah, सौंप दे, जिम्मेदारी सौंप दे. Like give it on yes, we should do this. How do I don't know. You do it. It's your job. Uh,
Whose idea was it?
sure, the by the way, oh yeah, I just realized this PG-13. Like, what's the rating? I mean, you obviously are a pre-pubescent teenager, so you are anyways not allowed to abuse or use no words. But like for me, who uses such sort of no words in my daily
Strong
life,
language.
strong language. Thank you. Strong language in my daily life. Would it be allowed in this podcast? Or I mean, I'm
Depends,
gonna leave that option to you because although I can kind of predict your answer, but फिर भी I want to hear it from your mouth.
depends on who you're talking to. Me or the people who are watching this.
I mean that's what, right? What audience are we aiming for? We don't have. By the way, listeners, as you all can see, we have not discussed shit before we started recording.
Okay,
It's just
there's
like
answered the question already.
we're just like, अच्छा चल podcast चालू कर रहे हैं, चल podcast bro. क्यों? But why podcast? पता
I
नहीं.
mean, the language you're speaking will only say the audience is gonna be Indian.
No shit. Somebody age यार buddy. I'm thinking like I don't know PG-13 रखना है कि जरा higher audiences like 18 types. Okay, PG-13 रखते हैं ना. This is
Yeah,
obviously not gonna be for kids. I mean,
yeah,
we're talking about
13.
animes and hentais and I mean Rahul doesn't know what hentai means, but we're talking
I
about
thought also
hentais and all that
Pokemon
shit.
hentai.
Oh shush. Any weeds, please shut up. Uh, uh,
Not so rude at all.
what so rule at all?
Not at all rude.
Oh. By the way,
Uh,
I didn't really think about this. Are we gonna like get guest speakers or is it just gonna be the two of us or something like that?
we can get guests if needed, if we're getting bored, if we don't have topics, if you're gonna act like this.
If we're gonna act like this, don't bring your sibling rivalry in here so soon, buddy.
Is that gonna be the next video?
Sibling rivalry, stay tuned.
First episode, season 1.
Why is my brother the most annoying person on the planet?
Why is my sibling always so squishy?
What does that even I don't even want to know. That is so weird. No, that's so creepy, dude. No. Yeah.
Yeah, cut that out.
No, this is nothing's gonna be cut out from this conversation. Whatever you say, you make mistakes. I was about to abuse. You own up to it yourself.
I'm pretty sure if we do not make it only Indian, then these Americans will not understand what's abuse.
These Americans. Oh my God. What
Yeah,
can you please explain what you mean by these Americans?
you know who am I talking to?
No, I don't know who you're talking to. You're talking to me. Who are you talking about?
Eee! Um, but just one minute. I need to just check the latitudes and longitude. 1 minute. Uh, America.
By
Should
the
be.
way, listeners, if you are wondering why I'm so hesitant to start a podcast, look at who I'm starting with. He puts dad jokes to shame.
The people who live on 37 north and 95 degrees west.
Oh my God, did you actually just Google it? But
Did
wait,
I?
wouldn't that like be like just a single latitudinal location rather
Yeah, I don't
than
know what is Google doing. If you ask, Google is just Google.
oh wow, boom. World hunger solved. Google is just Google. All mysteries of the
Unsolved
world.
mysteries.
BuzzFeed Unsolved is like, what
Earth has
is
moved its
Google?
axis due to this one statement.
What is Google? Google is
It's
Google.
Google.
World peace has achieved. This is the answer we've been
Respect.
searching for. What? This, what is Google? That's gonna be our episode title. That's like episode one. What is Google? I think that is a clear indication of the sheer randomness and stupidity. Just that title, the sheer stupidness in that title. What is Google?
A multinational Google.
A multinational Google. So now Google is synonymous with companies and all, huh?
Yep.
No, but still
I'm
coming
continuously
back to my
itching my
question.
neck. I'm continuously itching my neck like Shigaraki from Boku no Academia.
Arey, dude, don't mention Boku no Hero, dude. Oh my God, I just read the latest chapter, and you don't know what's happening in the manga, na?
Yeah, cause I'm
Like,
waiting for the anime because I don't want spoilers.
Arey, dude, kya shoot, dude, you have to watch it. Watch it, kya read it. I mean, of course you don't read, but like, oh my God, it is so
I'm
crazy.
not
Like the entire
reading.
Shigaraki, what?
Am I?
I am trying so hard to control myself. Like I would just leak the shit out of the place, but like, oh my God. Oh, by the way, just saying, the Jujutsu Kaisen just aired its first episode. We have to watch
Ooh.
that right now yet. I
And
mean, I've already seen it. You have to watch it so that because I'm pretty sure this will be the next big thing. This will be like the next God of High School, at least for this the
some what is it called? Autumn.
fall
Uh,
anime season.
Fall anime.
It's America, buddy. It's fall for them. Or like America, no, or is it fall for Japan also? I don't know. It's based on Japan preferences. Right,
Yeah.
right.
Right?
It's spring, summer, fall, and winter. But it could be autumn
Hmm.
also. I don't know, man. Why is it not autumn? I mean, of course, we are saying it's autumn, but India doesn't even have that season. That season doesn't even exist here. The subcontinent, as we call it, doesn't
Does
have
not
a
even have one.
continental season. In fact, it's so
That's why it's
weird,
subcontinent,
right?
not a continent.
But it's so weird, right? How you are unable to relate with the rest of the world because everybody else, like even when, especially I remember the biggest confusion and this sort of not identity crisis, but this sort of crisis that just came up when basically Phineas and Ferb first aired, right? And they're like, there's 104 days of summer vacation. That's like the first line in Phineas and Ferb title track. Right, there's 104 days of summer
Summer
vacation,
vacation.
and school comes along just to end it.
And the annual problem for our generation is
It's
having a
finding
good
a
way
good
to
day to
spend
spend
it.
it. Like my,
Like baby.
shush. We'll continue. We'll sing in the entire thing. Actually, you
Later.
know what? We can like just fill in the watch time just by like singing the entire shit. Like ah. Okay, no,
And then
wait.
make a mistake in the end just in
Shush!
occasionally.
Wait, let me stop before I forget, before my mind goes to other places. So yeah, so like Phineas and Ferb, right? Which we were talking about Phineas and Ferb. Shit, I forgot now. See, you're talking about summer, huh? Summer, not relating. Yes. So like when I watch Phineas and Ferb, na, they're like 104 days because for us, na, in India, कैसे है कि our spring is February, January, February. Our summer is March, April, May. Then we have a season which is nowhere around the world called monsoon season or the rainy season, which is June, July, August, usually September. And October, like September, October, November is more of the second summer
Transitional.
season. The,
Transitional.
yeah, some people call it autumn, but there's no leaf shedding here. It's just
It's either the
heat.
entire tree goes or it stays.
It's either the entire tree dries up or it stays because it's like hot. It's weird because October heat is so much worse than the normal summer season, at least in
October.
Mumbai, and it's
October.
October. Now I just got confused between like Inktober because I'm doing Inktober, like I'm going to do Inktober this year, and then like you just like Hottober, so I'm like October, like ah. So, and then we have winter season. Winter is December, January, February. Wait, but isn't January, February spring? No, in November, December, January is our
November, December,
winter.
January is winter.
Yeah, and February, only February is spring for us.
Even, but February is said to be one of the coldest months.
I mean,
So
it
is it
technically
winter?
counts as winter. Does India
Yeah.
have only three seasons? Or
Yep.
am I just trying to gusadify like spring in between?
This is what happens when you skip kindergarten.
Ha 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 ha. Listen, even I can do sick burns, but I'm not gonna because you are young and still a child.
I, I know you're thinking currently.
I am thinking so hard of an actual burn, but I can't. This is so sad. uh, uh, Good God, yeah. Don't look at me, I'm ashamed.
This is a sad Alexa play Despacito.
So yeah, for us, our May vacations, na, was always Alexa play Despacito. Hey, wait, you're distracting me, yaar. Hey, chup, chup. So our May vacations, na, they were always from like the entire. I just said it. It's called May vacations. We don't call it summer vacations. So our summer vacations are only 1 month. That's 31 days, right? While
And
other
I feel that's
guys,
a lot. And then when you go abroad and you just stay there for even 1 year, you have like this huge. What?
but then again, there's this other thing also, ki um
I don't think we have
where
Diwali vacation.
yeah, exactly. I was just about to say Diwali vacation. They've got only summer vacations and spring vacations. We get another month of Diwali vacation, so that counts for the
One
rest
and
of
a
the
half.
61.
One and a half.
1.5, a very large amount for Diwali, at least. And but like
So I
some
think
people give
it's
lesser
better.
Diwali vacations, and they in fact make do for that Diwali holiday chutti with the Ganesh Chaturthi
Yeah.
festivities or Navratri. It depends. I mean, India has got it's such a composite culture, right? कि कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, you know?
Unity in diversity.
हाय 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 क्या क्या सुंदर कविताएं रच रहे हो आप. दोहे लिखोगे आप आगे जाकर.
I am
कबीर दास.
Kalidas's son.
कालिदास या कबीर दास.
Kalidas, na? He's like the Shakespeare of India. said by many England people.
Wasn't that Tulsidas? Hey, no, wait, listen. What if Shakespeare is the Kalidas of
Ah, Kalidas, sorry, wrong person. Same,
where
same.
is where's Shakespeare from? I forgot. Is he from Venice or is he from Rome or is he from like Britain?
All I know is from the England.
That's Britain. Get your geography right, kid. You still haven't crossed past 10th. You need to know Jogo.
Sad noises.
Sad geography noises. No, wait, sad map noises. No, no, geography sounded cooler. Hmm. Oh my God, my throat is parched up. How do people manage to talk for like hours and hours on end where we're barely managing to scrape past like what, 20 minutes?
That's haven't you noticed? We just finished so many minutes without even looking at the time because we were so engrossed in it. You not even think about your parched throat because we were engrossed in it.
Ah, ha, ha, ha. No, you're not much of a conversation builder, if I'm being very honest. You don't really talk very well.
I talk when there's something for me to talk about.
Half of this conversation is just basically me laughing. Like it's like 10 minutes is us actually talking some constructive shit, and the other 10 minutes is us laughing at what we ourselves say. It's like, oh, I say this thing, that's it, that's half my time right there.
I think this is what people waste 20 minutes on.
But how are we gonna continue this podcast for earlier after this first
This is an
one episode?
introduction now, so it doesn't need to be a full-fledged
It
podcast.
can't be an introduction. Let's just this is obviously episode one, buddy.
Episode 1 of season 1.
Oh, season one, huh? We're looking at seasons now, huh? Um, at least let this go to episode two. We haven't even, we don't even, we have just jumped. Okay, what all topics have we just covered? We covered from a basic introduction. We went to seasons, to anime, to wait, what all have we talked about? We to Phineas and Ferb, all within a span of 20 minutes, and we are still searching for multiple more things. By the way, still don't know about the seasons here. I still get so confused because every time we like every time I look at something and they're like, oh, summer. I always think they're referring to March, April, but for them that's their spring. Like when you're looking at spring anime season, that's coming during my summer season. And when it's like, oh, and like, the moment summer ends here in India, they're like, oh, summer 2020 season of anime has started.
Yeah, every single game. Okay, so we are going on a summer holiday. India. Wait, was the
Yeah,
summer just over?
yeah, like, yeah. Like, it gets so confusing. But then that also kind of shows a sort of willful ignorance in a sense ki, like where we would look only from our own perspective and not from other people's perspective. This is not just about
Why do we even
India.
need to look from their perspective? We learn America, do they learn us? I'm not certain they do.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying, right? It comes with a certain sort of this sort of ignorance that just comes between like maybe like say India and America, as you just said, right? Why should we know about the other person? I mean, there's no need when we can just take care of ourselves and this sort of lack of empathy. And I
But
am just
seriously,
sensing
why is
this
there
conversation's
history?
about to go into a very deep tangent,
Politics. But why is there
political.
history?
Why is the history matlab?
History, like, why do we need to learn how did America fight the British? Why do we have to learn how this one person captured over India and stole all the goods and took it back to their place, but they used it in the wrong perspective and it was stolen from them also.
Are you talking about Mahmoud Ghori?
Yep,
Mohammad Ghori?
Muhammad Ghori and Muhammad of Ghazni.
Wasn't it Mahmoud Ghazni? I don't know. I was like so long ago for me, man. I learned that when I was in like seventh, eighth grade.
I
No,
learned it
sixth
fifth.
grade. Yeah, like fifth or sixth grade that was. Ekdam long. That's like how many years ago for me? Yeah,
A decade. For you, it's a decade.
I'm in third year BFA.
Well, now you
So,
just told which subject you have taken
I
for.
mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, I would love to talk about advertising and other such things earlier also.
Yeah,
Oh,
but I know.
why did we think of doing this podcast? I don't know
Don't
because
ask me. You thought of this, and you just
I'll tell
moved the
you
game
why.
outside and told me
I'll
to
tell
get on
you.
a call.
Wait, now I asked this question because I wanted to say why na. Rukna, I'm saying na. Shut up. Obviously, I asked for a reason. It's me. I love to talk. Uh,
Yet he never talks to me when I want to talk to him.
but because all you talk about is Brawl Stars, okay? And yeah, I
Okay, so
love
now we
Brawl
are
Stars.
going to games.
Ah, wait, I'm still answering the question. I love to talk and I love my friends group and everybody. But then my entire group, right? My entire group of friends, the bitch squad as we call ourselves. We basically we don't really have many common interests. Like there are not many people who like nobody in that group likes anime. Nobody likes comics the way I do. And no, comic I'm not talking about Marvel DC. I'm talking about Holy Cow Entertainment, Graphic India, and of course Marvel DC, Variant Comics, everything, everything.
Manga.
Uh, and mangas, yes, of course mangas. Why not mangas? Obviously mangas. Um, and nobody's into this kind of pop culture, subcultures that I am into,
How do you
and
have
it's
friends?
huh?
How do you have
How
friends?
listen, okay? They're very sweet people, and don't you dare talk about my friends, okay?
I mean, like, friends are supposed to be relatable.
No, I mean they're relatable when it comes to the art part of it, and they're like really, really sweet people, and I really love them, honestly, with all my heart. I want to hug them so bad now because I love hugs. I love, love, love hugs. Like I'd
Too bad.
uh, no, I mean I don't know. They're like that recharge for me, just like it's a sort of a reminder, like that sort of physical contact. It just lets you know that yeah. I still care about you, and you're important to me. And if you're important to me and I care about you, I'll hug you because, hugs are my main source of love and affection. What about you? What would be
I
your
think
symbol of
that explains
trust?
my cracked bones.
Your cracked bones. Your cracked spine, you'd say. I'm a beware, okay?
Only the true fans will understand.
No, I mean most people kind of try to avoid Alola, but oof.
Al I mean, Alola. Why is it Alola, but the forms are called Aloha?
No, they're Alola. No, I mean, in is it called Aloha in Japanese?
I mean, I've seen many YouTubers, they say it as Aloha, and they've actually like said, "Oh, I did not know this until one of my comment sections actually just pointed out that's Aloha and not Alola."
Is it? It's Aloha,
Yeah, Alohan, like Aloha,
but
not
then
Alola.
shouldn't there be like an H? Oh, by the way, for all the clueless listeners, this is Pokemon. Okay, we're talking about Pokemon. Uh, yeah, Aloha. I mean, but shouldn't it be Alo? I mean, what? Wait, what? I didn't know it's Aloha.
The more you know. Ding, 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 ding.
Ting 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 ting. It's just like no wait what? This is identity crisis. This is not fair. It's Alola. It's Alola.
Well, we can skip it. It's the most forgettable region at this point.
Actually,
Galar.
which brings me to oh dude, Pokemon Journeys is actually good. Who would have thought? Pokemon Journeys?
For God's sake, it's Pokemon.
No, I mean Pokemon as a whole, but like the best region when it comes to game. I mean, I don't know, I've never played Gen 4 games, but the best region anime wise, at least my personal favorite, is Gen 4.
Hone.
Hoenn is the best region overall. It's my favorite region.
It's
I
a
mean,
it's the first game I played of.
It's the only game I've played. I mean, other than Fire Red and Leaf Green, but that
Gen
technically
3
still counts
technically.
as, yeah, Gen 3.
What
Gen 3
about
is the only
Gaia?
thing that's fan made now. Fan made games shouldn't count as generations,
I
right?
played kind little of Crystal, but then it got virus and hmm. Next topic.
Next topic. Listen, if we burn through all of our topics right now, we will have nothing to talk about in the later episodes. You do realize, right?
That is why there are gaps between episodes, I thought. Aren't there?
Gaps, matlab, no, usually when podcasts work, right? How they work is like there's around one episode per week or something. Because in the end, it's just people talking. You don't know
Are
what they're
you
talking
talking
about.
about Good Mythical Morning?
That's a podcast? No, that's like, no, Ear Biscuits is their podcast.
I mean, they have like every Sunday podcast, no? No?
I mean, no, it's not just them, no, but like Ear Biscuits is the only podcast you know, I'm guessing, right?
Yep.
So I listen to multiple podcasts that way. I listen to Trash Taste, which is a podcast about anime. I listen to Litnama, which is a podcast about literature, and I listen to
Okay,
Advertising
understood.
is Dead, which is a podcast about advertising. I used to listen to
You're
Geek
flex, but
Fruit.
okay.
No. It's not a flex. I listen to Geek Fruit podcast, which is this podcast of. Wait, are we just a discounted Geek Fruit? I just realized. Because Geek Fruit basically talks about pop culture in general, and that's kind of what we are also focusing. I didn't think this through. We are a discount Geek Fruit. What the shit?
I think this answers the first question we had. Is this for children? You just said.
Fuck. Dude, what shit? No, what? No, I wanna be my own thing. ये क्या है? ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. I don't wanna be something that's already done.
Well, at least I don't speak two languages.
Of course they do. Who doesn't speak two languages? We're Indians. We're supposed to be bilingual. Or
Violent?
bilingual.
Oh, sorry.
It's either Hindi and English, or Hindi and our mother tongue, or Hindi and our mother tongue and English,
Or don't
or
speak.
let's Buddhism. Let's go. Let's just like turn into Buddhists and like take that oath of silence.
The middle path is the only path.
You know, when I think about Buddha, right, and I think about how pronunciations work, like, because everyone, everywhere, look in foreign places, like, and
Buddha.
it's Buddha, Buddha,
Buddha. And
Buddha,
in Hindi, that means old.
Buddha. Yeah, that's old. So I'm like, how the accents function, right, weirdly. But then we would
Abusing
call them
British.
weird, but they would call us weird. It's that same thing as to what we talked about earlier about the lack of empathy, right? Where it's like for us, like it's like the inverse of grass is greener on the other side. Like, because, see now, because we look at other people and we'll be like, they are weird. But then they look at us and think the same thing, ki, हाँ, ये तो अजीब है. I roam without a t-shirt, right, on the streets. And I look at people who are wearing a t-shirt on a hot day, and I'd be like, why are they wearing t-shirt? They are the weird ones. But
Okay, I
then
just
they'd be
learned one of
like,
your secrets.
I don't know, dude. I'm a little I'm
I thought that was
conscious
only
about
in
my
Bali
body.
people would go without t-shirt.
Only in Bali.
I mean
But
that
that's
that
because you saw foreigners and people who like because it was Seminyak, no? Seminyak, tha, no?
Seminyak and what is that? Uday, something like that.
Ubud.
Bud.
Yeah.
What?
No. It was near the beach. It was a beach one. Beach was Seminyak.
Yeah, that was Seminyak.
Yeah, so
Then
like
Villa.
yeah, so like because it was a beach, even in Goa right now, if you go to Goa, you'd see all these, foreigners and all these guys. They'll be like topless and all.
And would just sit in the sun to get tanned. To go with the other Indians.
एंड
As
अपने
if we are
भारतीय देसी भारतीय अंकल और आंटी I mean, you don't want to see them topless. I mean, it's weird when you see them topless. You need to have a body to go topless. I mean, I go topless.
And then everyone tells you to put a t-shirt on.
Yeah, I mean, obviously. I don't know. See, I mean, but that's what I'm kind of referring to, right? What we'd find weird, they wouldn't find weird. It's all about a cultural differences, right? How we've been raised differently in different places, either geographically or traditionally, and
It's all because of Himalayas. They are the only thing that's separating us.
hmm, uh, uh,
Uh,
I don't know how to respond to that because I just don't know how to respond to that. That's not right.
I mean, I'm grateful they protected us against COVID for like how many months or weeks?
Okay, that's where I have to stop you. I have to stop you right there and then, okay?
Okay,
I'll,
next topic, games.
quit playing games with my heart. Oh, no, no,
Two,
no,
three.
my heart,
Uh-huh.
my heart.
Yeah, so going out of you.
It's just weird. Let's try to recap just so that we know, okay, that our minds are
No,
not flowing as crazily, okay?
no,
Today
no,
is the 28th of
no, no.
September that we're recording this.
Or is it?
It is.
Let us look into
And
it.
we just started from an introduction to Phineas and Ferb. No, wait, we start with an introduction. Introduction say we went to geography. Geography say we went to Japan and anime. Anime say we went to Phineas and Ferb. Phineas and Ferb seasons. Seasons say we went to
Pop culture and how we are raised differently.
yeah, art and games, and now suddenly we talk about, and then we went into a deep conversation, and now we're singing Backstreet Boys.
Everybody
Yeah,
rock your
it's
body.
like the Brooklyn Nine-Nine vibes right here, like literally chills.
And number five.
I never wanna hear you say. It was number five. Number five kill. Number five killed my brother.
Is my brother the imposter?
I don't know, pink kinda sus.
Oh wait, Cyan died. Oh.
Now, we're just saying random things which only the two of us or proper pop culture fans understand. And like everybody else is just like left in the dark. कोई भी uncle auntie ये देख रहा होगा, they have just sat through 30, I mean, or any listener as a whole, they've just sat through 40 minutes of absolute and utter nonsense.
Isn't that
What is the moral of this podcast? Good question. This is where we leave you guys. Bye bye. Until next time. Wait for episode 2.
where Google is Google?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Next time. Wait. Tune into episode 2 where we will search what is Bing.
The unsolved mystery of Google. Or Bing.
Okay, yeah, no, we really need to end this. Bye, guys.